channel. Today I am making slime.
Okay, so...
I made fingers.
Ooh. It's got all the different colours in there.
Oh.
So now you're going to make the slime, aren't you?
Haha.
You ready?
Yeah.
That's the activator.
We can put it here.
No, you'll need more than that.
We can put it on the glitter. And here. And here. It's getting everywhere. You like it?
Now you need to put the activator in, don't we?
Oh yeah, the activator.
That's enough.
Any more?
You need to add some water. So add a little bit of water in there.
Yeah, one by one.
Little bit, not too much.
Not too much.
A little bit more. And that's it. Now you're going to mix it.
Here, I'm done this. It's on the dick. With my finger.
Yeah.
Let's go look at this slime.
It's all mixed together, isn't it?
Yeah, it got glitter, color glitter, and then pink glitter. I get it also.
Yeah.
And the rainbows are all the way.
Ooh. And what does this one feel like?
Stretchy.
Stretchy.
And they got. Guys, like my slime videos. Bye.